Hello friends, this is Aizzah and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is going to be a makeup haul video. So recently, I bought a lot of makeup and I'm actually really excited to share it with you. So without further ado, let's get on the video. So these are all the makeup that I bought recently that I am so excited to share it with you. Ta-da! This bag is discontinued right now, but I got this for $13 and the retail price of this is, I believe, $25. So this makeup bag, I got it from Morphe Cosmetics. I ordered it online and I also ordered this. This one is the collaboration of Jeffree Star. It is an eyeshadow palette. I actually made a makeup tutorial using this palette. If you wanna watch it, please check the description and I will put the link below. So this is how it looks like. I get a good deal with these products and they are actually discontinued right now. I got this for $18 and the retail price of this is, I believe, $35. This is actually the eyeshadow palette that I use with the makeup I'm wearing right now. You should watch my makeup tutorial and see for yourself how pigmented it is and how nice it is as an eyeshadow. It just pops so nicely. So yeah, there's this one. Next one is this. It is also from Morphe Cosmetics with the collaboration of Jeffree Star. And these are makeup brushes. It's so cute. Like this bag, I just find it so cute. And these are the brushes. This is also a discontinued product and I got this for $21 and the retail price of this is, I believe, $40. And then I have this from Morphe. It is a luminous setting spray. I got this for $8 and the retail price of this is $16. So I actually got a couple of things from MAC Cosmetics and one of it is this one. So it is the Hyper Real Glow from MAC. It's a highlighter palette and it looks like this. I also got a transparent finishing powder, Prep Plus Prime. Let's open it. I like the packaging of this makeup because I always like glittery things. It looks like this. I got a False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. Ooh, wow. I like the packaging. That looks cute. I also got a MAC Face and Body Foundation in the shade C4. I can't wait to use these. Then I got Prep and Prime, Fix Plus Matte, and Just Fix Plus. So let's open the matte one. And then let's open the other one. It smells good. I like it. Then I got MAC lip base. And now I got these MAC lipsticks. I am so excited to try these. You have no idea. So I bought this, and these are the shades. One of the shade I got is called Cockney, and it looks like this. Ooh, so pretty. I can't wait to try them. I will definitely make MAC Cosmetics lip swatches. Yes, I'm going to do that for my next video, so watch out. Next is called Morphe. I don't know how to pronounce this. Let me know how to pronounce this right. It looks like this. Ooh, I like the packaging. It looks so fancy. There you go. Can't wait to try it. Next is Hey Frenchie. Then I got Diva. Diva is actually the shade that I'm wearing right now. And I'm gonna show you how it looks. Yep, it looks like this. So pretty. Next is Dare You. I think you can tell by now that I like dark shades for lipsticks. That's my comfort zone. Now I got Coffee and Cigs. So beautiful. I can't wait to try it. Last but not the least for lipsticks is the shade Maison Rouge. I'm so horrible in reading. How do you read this? Let me know, because I suck in reading. Wow, I like the packaging. I like that it's red. Oopsie. And then, last but not the least that I got from MAC is this Liquid Last 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. And then I got these. I actually haven't tried using magnetic eyelashes yet. So it's going to be my first time of trying a magnetic false lashes. So I actually bought 2 of them. You know what? I feel like I wanna give this away. This just becomes a makeup haul plus giveaway video then. It's not much, but it's something. So yeah, it's going to be this one. And then for the inside, it looks like this. So this is an eyeliner. This is the lashes are so pretty. And these are the ones that you are going to receive because I bought the same ones. Let me know if you wanna see how I struggle using this for the first time. I don't know if that's something you will be interested, but let me know. And the last thing that I bought in my makeup haul are contact lenses. Yes, contact lenses. And this contact lens that I'm wearing right now is called Brilliant Blue. This is from the brand Fresh Look, and it looks like these. So I got a lot of them, and I am planning to make a video trying on all the colors that Fresh Look color blends have. There's 12 or 13 colors. I'm not sure. But yes, I'm going to try all of these. And if you wanna watch that video, please check the description and I will put the link below. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you friends so much for watching. I really appreciate it a lot that you watch the whole video. It means a lot to me. If you wanna see more videos from me, please leave a comment down below and I will try my very best to make it for you. This is the first video that I did a makeup haul. Let me know if this is something that you would want to see again, because I am not sure if any one of you will like to watch makeup haul, but let me know anyways. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up comment down below anything that you want to comment, and then share, and please click the notification bell for more videos. Bye! It is so pigmented.